In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the WooCommerce My Account page. This process is perfect for anyone looking to tailor their customer's experience on their own online store. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to customize this page to fit your brand and meet your business needs. Let's begin by adding the right tool to our WordPress site. We'll be installing a plugin to help us with the customization process. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins in the left-hand menu. From there, select Add New. In the search bar, type Customize My Account for WooCommerce. Once you've located the plugin, go ahead and click Install Now. After the installation, be sure to activate the plugin so it's ready for use. With the plugin active, navigate to the WooCommerce tab in your dashboard. You'll now see a new option labeled Customize My Account. Click on this, and you'll find yourself in the Live Customizer, a powerful tool that allows you to change different aspects of the My Account page in real time. Let's delve into how you can use the Live Customizer effectively. First, you'll notice options to toggle the visibility of various endpoints. Endpoints are essentially different sections or features that show up on the My Account page, such as orders, downloads, or account details. Depending on your store's needs, you can enable or disable these endpoints to show or hide them from your customers. This feature is a simple yet efficient way to keep your page minimal and focused on what you want your customers to see. Next up is renaming labels. Perhaps you want to ensure the language used aligns with your brand or makes more sense to your audience. This option allows you to change the labels of different sections with ease, therefore providing clarity and better alignment with your brand voice. The customizer also enables you to reorder the menus. By dragging and dropping, you can rearrange the sections on the My Account page. Tailoring the order of these sections based on what's most valuable to your customers can enhance the user experience significantly. Lastly, you have the option to add icons and extra CSS classes. Adding icons next to each menu item can make navigation more intuitive and visually appealing. Additionally, custom CSS allows you to style the page even further to match your brand's aesthetic. You might want to use colors, fonts, or other stylistic elements that reflect your brand's identity. Once you're satisfied with the changes, ensure you hit Save to apply your customizations. It's always a good idea to preview the page as your customers would see it, making sure everything looks and functions as intended. And there we have it. You've now customized the WooCommerce My Account page to better suit your brand and enhance your customers' experience. Thanks for watching, and happy tailoring.